medical underwriter, a registered financial advisor, an entrepreneur as well, and a Filipino Academy part-time instructor. Let us all welcome on the stage Mr. Richard Bazo. Richard, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. Sana okay pa kayo? Pakinig din ng rice cooker.
Alright.
Ayun, good evening once again. So, once again, my name is Richard. As what Sir said, I'm a registered nurse. I also work in a national insurance company here in Dubai for almost a decade. And, sabi ni Ma'am Ruth, upskill. Nag-upskill ako. I am now a registered financial advisor. At the same time, I'm an entrepreneur. Diba? Entrepreneur. Big word. And finally, my advocacy here in Dubai is to become an educator. So, guru po kami, ako sa part-time teacher sa Filipino Academy for Healthcare Services. And for the past few years, almost 1 decade na rin ako natuturo, I have met a lot of OFWs. At karamihan sa kanila, alam niyo ba, na 7 out of 10 of my students ay walang insurance, walang stability, walang knowledge about insurance. Tinuruan tayo ni Engineer Delmer kung paano to give back to the community. We were also taught by our keynote speakers on how to give back to our society. No? And equip us with the tools and hiring, getting hired. Now my task is to equip ourselves and to give you the tools on how to secure our wealth when nandito tayo sa community working as an OFW. But before that, let me ask you, ano yung focus natin for today? Are you looking for salary ba? Non-negotiable ba ang inyong grow sa company? Or is it stability? Or maybe just a simple to get hired? All of this actually presents the risk. Malamang sa inyo, wala kayong thinking about the risk for the moment. But the risk is actually there, even before, while you're being hired, and even after you're hired, the risk is always there. Lagi natin sinasabi that your resume or yung work natin is not our safety net. Tinuruan tayo kung paano mag-prepare ng CV, kung paano maging magaling para makuha natin yung trabaho na gusto natin. We prepare for the interviews. We plan our career path. But we should also prepare for the unexpected na mga detours. Paano po? That's a big question. Paano kung magkaroon ng another pandemic? Paano pag magkaroon na naman ng pamilya na may magkakasakit? Paano pag ako mismo na OFW magkasakit? Ano nangyayari sa family ko? And there's a lot of what ifs. What if mawalan naman ng work? What if magsara yung company namin? That's the paano ko. Paano nga ba? Think through that. Now, the only way for us to be able to secure our wealth and also secure the time that we spend here in the UAE is to get protected through investing. Whether it's through health insurance or life insurance. Don't worry, I'm not going to bore you with that. Just to give you parang short or summary lang, what is life insurance? It's a sign, it is not a sign of fear. Huwag kayong matakot as long as you know someone that you trust, you research, you do your research bago kayo kumuha ng insurance, then there's nothing to be fearful about. It's a product for old people. Actually, no. The younger you insure yourself, the earlier that you insure yourself, the more time that you invest, mas malaki makukuha mo eventually. And it's a waste of money. Alam niyo ba, Now with just 1,500 pesos, you will be able to insure yourself and you will be able to secure your family mo later on. So life insurance in general, it's a financial safety net and an income protection. So ilang dekada na nagtatrabaho tayo dito sa Dubai, we wanna make sure na yung efforts natin that we spend hours of the book will not get into drain. Dapat talaga protected siya at the end of the day. And it's a foundation for responsible career planning. Once again, getting a job is an opportunity, right? But life insurance is about continuity. It is not too late. Baka sabihin na matanda na ako. No, it is not too late. It doesn't matter where you are in your career path. It's never too late. So get hired today and get protected tomorrow. Once again, ako po si Richard. Ang pangarap ko po ay lahat ay ng OFW. Uuwi po tayo sa bansa natin ng masaya at mayaman. Magandang gabi po.